Hello peoples, in this video I will explain how you can use Toon app and how to edit photo in the Toon app, and I will tell you secret tips that no one tell on YouTube. So please watch till end. So let's begin. Firstly, go to Play Store and download the Toon app. Now open the Toon app and select the photo that you want to edit. Click on that photo. Now it's taking time to proceed. Now click on OK. Now it's again taking time to proceed. Wait for some second and click on 3-day trial fee. Now simply save this image in your gallery. Click on the save. Go to description box. You get link of the background. Click on this link. Now you come on this new page. Now simply download that background that you like the most, and now go to Play Store and download the picsart application. Now click on the skip. Now add the photo. Now you can edit a photo. Now select the background that you get in my link. Now insert the photo. Click on that. Now click on your background photo. Now resize them. Now click again on the insert photo. Now crop this photo. Firstly click on the crop option and crop the photo. Now click on again tick. Now erase the background. So come on this option. Now click on this and it's automatic erase the background. Now we need only the head portion, so we cut till the next portion. So you cut all the neck portion like this. Now resize this photo according to your. Now click on that. Now simply increase the 40% and click on the tick. Now this photo is saved in your gallery. If you like my video, click on like, subscribe and click on the bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles,